A big question for a lot of students is, how do you learn where all the notes are on the fretboard? What is the hack? What is the cheat? There is no cheat. There is no hack. There is no cheat. There is no hack. There is no hack. The main thing you want to think about is something called conscious competence. This is good practicing. There are 4 stages of competence. Unconscious incompetence, which means you suck and you do not know that you suck. And then there's conscious incompetence, which means you suck and you know. You suck and you know, and you know. That's where we all spend a lot of our lives. And then there's conscious competence, and this is where most of your practice should be spent. That is, you can do it, but you have to think about it. That's what practice really is. And then there's unconscious competence, where you no longer have to think about doing it and you can just do it. And that's our aspired state. That's playing music. And what you're trying to get to is unconscious competence, just knowing where all of the notes are. So you need to spend a lot of time in conscious competence. So I'm going to give you some ways to do this to learn the names of the notes on the neck. Here we go. You just say the names of the notes as you play them. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, I'm just saying the alphabet, right? Wrong. I'm making a major scale, and you're noticing, oh, I'm going up 2 frets or a whole step, and then I'm going up 2 frets or a whole step, and then a fret or a half step, 2 frets and a whole step, 2 frets, a whole step, half step, whole, half, whole, half. That's the pattern of the major scale. So I'm paying attention to that, and I'm listening to the sound of it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then I am saying the note names. Like they are places. Oh, that's C. It's the first fret, I'm thinking. Oh yeah, it's the tonic of the key. There's D. Oh, that's the 3rd fret. Just a little note to my mind. Hey, where's my finger? Note, I'm doing this with 1 finger. E, 5th fret. F, 6th fret. G, 8th fret. A, 10th fret. B, 12th fret. C, 13th fret. And then go backwards. It's going to be a little bit harder than going forwards. I'm going to turn off the left hand because I don't really think you need it for the time being. So C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. This is how you do it. You do this for maybe 2 to 5 minutes max, a couple of times a day, 1 string at a time. The important part is the conscious competence, that you are consciously thinking about what you're doing as you are doing it. So you're not just saying the alphabet, you're thinking, oh, C, 1st fret. Think about them like places, like it's a good way, very simple way to learn all of the names of the notes on the guitar, and you're just learning the natural notes. And once you learn the natural notes, it's a lot easier to learn the unnatural notes, the accidentals, the flats and sharps. That's what I suggest to my students. Very short practice sessions so that you're very focused on what you're doing. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions about it, please drop a question in the comment. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please share. Ring the bell. Okay. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.